did you know my back is itchy? You can see it. You can see my back. No, I was fixing my. It's not itch. My what is that? It's not itchy. I'm fixing my. Because he wants to run. Did you know that I'm itching? I see your body language. No, because you know the Tikita. What is that? You know, like the name of the brand of my. And then I was fixing because it's like this crumpled. The tongue, no, the tongue is not itchy.